So if you want to use your Huawei Y9 Prime and even other Huawei mobile phones camera like a professional, then this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you every feature or option of the Huawei Y9 Prime camera and how you can use them for the best results. And at last I will show you that if your camera settings have been corrupted, then how you can reset the camera settings. So before starting the video, I request you to hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, I will show you the important options of this camera. So the first one is Aperture. So if you click on the options here, you can see from f0.95 to f16. So as it lower it will be the best. So if we, for example, take the picture of a bike, so if we want the focus on the bike, it will make the focus on the bike and it will make the blur of the background. Then you can see the night, it's for night mode. Then you can go to portrait, it's for the person if you want to take a picture of a person. And then if you go to the photo, here you can see different options on the top, 5 options. So if you go to the left corner, so if you click here, it's AI lens option. So if you go on the first option, this one is code scanner. If you want to buy a product and you don't know the price, you will just scan the code of that product and it will tell you the price. Then you go to the second option, this one is instant translation. If there is one document in some language and you want to translate it in English or your own language, it will translate it for you. Then you go on the third option, this one is the shopping option. So if you want to buy something, you will just take the picture of that thing and it can show you the price. And there you can see some other options here, calories or identify, something like that. Then you can see the second option on the top, AI. This one is AI camera. So if you enable it, it will for example, you take a picture of some person, it will make the background blur and just take the picture as perfect as it can get. Then you can see the flashlight option here, and other than that you can see the filter option here. If you want to enable the filters, different kind of filters here, you can see it. So here you can see. Then we go to the video. Here you can see the beauty mode. So we'll take it to the 10%. Then you can go to the more, and here you will see all the main things. The first one is Pro. So if you are a professional, you want to use it as a professional, so you can use it, but if you are not, I will recommend you not to use it. Then you can go to the slow-mo. Slow-mo is for TikTok users, likey users, or if you want to just use for fun. Then there is Panorama option. If you click on that one and you want to take a picture, so it will almost take the picture of the whole room, as you can see. So that's how it will do for you. So if we go to another more option, you can see AI lens. So this one is actually for fun. If you just want to do some fun, then you can go to the background option here as well. And here you can see light painting. So this one are also some effects here. If you want to use it, you can check it out. Then you can see the HDR. The HDR option is actually very important. So it will take, actually, if you click on HDR, you take a picture, it will take 3 pictures in the background. It will not show you the 3 pictures and it will select the best one for you. So if you want to take a picture of nature, some natural things, so this one is the best option. And then you can go to the more option. There is the time-lapse option here. So this one is actually fast mode, something like that. Then you can go to the moving picture here. So moving picture is actually something like 1 or 2 second pictures that moves. Then you can go to the stickers. If you take the picture, you can see that it will just show the watermark here, show the date and the time, something like that. Then you can go to the settings here on the top right corner. You can see it. We'll click on it. Then you can see the audio control, capture smiles. If somebody smiles, it will take the picture automatically. Then you can see one more option, ultra snapshot here. So when you click on it, you can see that if you click 2 times on your volume down button, even if your phone is off, it will take the picture whatever is in front of it. And at last you can see the blue option here is store defaults. So if your camera is feeling something like has some issues, so you will just click on restore defaults and it will be same like before. The issues will be gone, something like that. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.